Hey there, welcome to this short tutorial on how you can use Dynoments Rexy to create a custom blog post for your clients. With Dynoments Rexy you can combine ACF Flexible Content with Elementor PRO. And with these two combined, your customers can create flexible dynamic layouts without ever having to touch the design again. So, before we start, make sure you have installed Elementor PRO, ACF Pro and of course Dynoments Rexy. And we're going to start with creating the custom fields. So head over to ACF Custom Fields and let's add a new field group, and we call this one Flexible Content. Of course you can call it whatever you want. Add a new field, and I'm going to name this one Flexible, and it will be of type Flexible Content. And when you've chosen this one, you can see that there will be loaded a layout section here. And these are the sections that your customers can choose to fill in their pages. So I'm going to create a blog page here. So we're going to have a couple of layouts. We're going to have a content with image layout, a gallery and a YouTube. So first let's add the content with image. And you can see that ACF already creates a unique name for it. Of course you can change whatever you want, but I like to use the ones that ACF generates. Add a new field here, and these are the fields that you or your customers can fill in. So I'm going to add a title, which will be of type text. I'm going to add a content section, and it will be of type widgets, so my customers can use a more rich type of editing. They can use a bold version of a bold text, italic, or even add some links to the text they want. Not going to show the media upload button here. And I'm going to add the image because I want them to give an image to the side of my content. And this will be image, and it will be of a return format of URL. So this is our first layout. We add a new one here, and this will be a YouTube. And you can see already generates a new name. Add fields, again a title. And I'm going to add the YouTube URL because I want to add the video through a YouTube URL. So type URL and the rest is okay. And the last layout I'm going to add is the gallery. So here, gallery. And I'm going to add a title. And below the title I want to have the gallery. And returning format will be an image array, which is okay. Great. The button label will be the button that your customers or your clients will click to add a new layout. So add row is an option, but of course you can change it to whatever you want. Most time I change it to something like add new layout, just to make clear to the viewer, to my customers, that this is the button to add a new layout. And the location here, the location is where my flexible content will be displayed. Well, this will be displayed on the post CPT or custom post type, so that's okay. And the meta boxes that I want to hide on my screen, I like to toggle them all, and you only show the permalink and the featured image. So let's publish this part. And that's pretty much everything you need to do here in flexible content. Of course, you can add as much layout as you want. So this is the first section. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you connect the flexible content to your layouts, and we're going to design them in Elementor, of course. So see you then.